National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 26 nautical miles southeast of Farewell Buoy, moving northwest at 20 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine location: waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles. Here's your national